Scoot down towards your feet. Just push that way. Yes, good. Because I'm going to stretch out this part of your back. Good job. Okay, breathe in deep and all the way out. Ooh. Yes, right there. Breathe in deep and all the way out. All the way, yes. Good. Really good. You okay? Mm-hmm. It tickles. Does? Mm-hmm. I've never had anybody say tickle. It should help you relax. Yes, good. Let's do the other side. Is this side more sore than the other?
I don't know, I think so.
It's getting really red.
It's been hurting a lot more lately.
Yeah. Okay, well, we're getting good blood flow. This side feels tighter.
Yeah, sometimes I can't turn right neck to the right.
Okay.
Or to the left, sorry.
Yeah, we'll work on that. Yeah, this is all really tight.
Hurts there.
Yeah. I know it gets intense. Okay. Good. Good breath. Let's see what your feet look like here. Hurts? Why? Did you do something? Oh, there you go.
I sprained it years ago. Oh. And I went to the doctors to fix it.
Yeah, that one was a lot more stuck.
That's the one I sprained.
Yeah, well. Yeah, it was just this one. I was really tight. Okay, let's see what else we've got. Oof, yes. We're going to do your tailbone. Oops, not that one, this one. Scoot towards your feet just a little more. There we go. Okay. Okay. Just tighten it a little bit. See, right, No, I think with this on my head, I'm having where I am in space. There we go. Yes, good. That's it. Yes, much better. Let's recheck. Much better. Okay. Now I'll have you lie on this side. Face me. This way. That's a go. Then we're going to bend the top leg. Yep. Bring your hips towards me, towards the edge of them. Yes, good. Okay. Take that. That's perfect. I need your butt this way, a little more towards me. Come. Yes. Okay, good. Because you're probably very flexible. Okay, nice little stretch here. Big breath in. And all the way out. Yep. Perfect. Feel that? Let's go the other way.
I was like, you're not going to have to do much. That was I was ready to pop.
I didn't.
Oh, sorry.
You're good. Okay, come a little closer to me. This way. Yeah. Good, good girl. That's it. Okay, that's it. Big breath in and all the way out. Let that go. Oof. Perfect. Ooh, I think we got all that. Now your favorite part, right? Okay. Now chin up, ear to shoulder. Any more? Drop your right shoulder. That's good. I think I got it. Same thing. Nice and relaxed. Drop your left shoulder. Yep. Ear. Yep. And chin up a little. Oh, perfect. Okay, let's just check. Little feet. Good. Is that the one that's sore?
What's this?
The other one?
I don't even remember anymore.
Yeah.
I think it is.
That is the one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oof.
Sorry.
My hand is slipping. No, I think I have lotion on me. It's okay. Oh, yeah. I think this one. This one. Just making sure. Good. Perfect. That looks pretty good, actually. All right, why don't you sit up, face the window. Make sure. Check how that moves. How's that feel? Can you turn your head?
Yeah, same color.
Okay, good. Now look up and down. Any issues with any of those?
No.
Okay, good. Perfect. Okay. It's still a little tight, but it's better.
Oh, I feel less tension here, so that really helped.
Yeah, and you did get red, but not too bad. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, let me see your right arm. Hold that arm up strong for me. Good. Hold it here. Look to the right. A little more to do. Hold here. Look the other way. Hold that. Feel that? That's what I was trying to get when you're on your stomach. There we go. Okay, and again, hold the arm strong and push it. Good. Tip your ear to the side and hold. So it's really good when you're just straight, but as soon as you start to move, we got more cleanup to do. Good. Tip the ear. Better. Tip the other way and hold. And tip up, look, and look down. Good. Stay looking down all the way. Just take the odd extension down. That's it. Look up and look down. Much better. Oof. Now try that out.
It's actually crazy.
Better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, stand up. Let me just make sure. Come around. Very good. Feet together. You were strong before, so I expect you to be strong. Right foot forward. And hold that. Good. And then bring it back and left foot forward. Very good. Okay. I love it.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe.